standing off the striker.
McLean's got the ball, he makes a diagonal run for the middle of the pitch, David Luiz just lets him go. So there's no pressure on the ball with McLean. Look at Timo Pukki, he's made a run, David Luiz just lets him go.
In by Ozil, looking for Mustafi, appeals for handball, and there's a penalty. Arsenal get a penalty.
Handball.
Got to be.
100% handball.
It is Zimmerman himself, it is the Norwich skipper. Excellent save from Krul. We know how good he is at that very thing.
Very poor penalty from Aubameyang.
I'm just checking that he hasn't come off his line, by the way, Tim Krul. It's going to be retaken for him coming very slightly off his line early. Let's look.
And I think it will be retaken.
Is being retaken. My goodness. Aubameyang goes in a similar position, slightly more in the corner. Second bite of the cherry. And a massive goal for Arsenal, the first of the Freddie Ljungberg era. The Gunners ride their luck, but they're back level. Norwich 1, Arsenal 1. Here's Hernandez, Pukki steaming forward, and McLean's making a run to the far post. Cantwell wants it, he gets it. That's a wonderful goal. We highlighted Todd Cantwell and what he could bring to the table, and it's the youngster's 4th of the season already.
Ball gets out to Hernandez on the left-hand side. Mustafi drops off. You've got to go and engage the ball. Callum Chambers just lets the ball come inside to him. And in the end, there's no pressure on the ball at all. Cantwell's got all the time in the world just to pick his spot. It's a brilliant finish, to be fair, from Cantwell at the edge of the box. We just stand 4 or 5 yards off the ball every time they break.
Mustafi, and it's fired home by Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Brilliant finish from Oba, second goal of the game, and in a flash that's into the back of the net.
To be fair, Ozil's delivery has been really good from all of our corner set pieces. Again, it's a little flick on at the near post. Mustafi tries to get the first one, and Aubameyang just lurking at the far post.
Bit of defending from Mustafi, deeper up the field beforehand, just to help set the platform as well, but Arsenal, their own worst enemies once more. Brilliant save from Bernd Leno. How critical could that prove to be in the game? McLean bearing down one-on-one. The German stuck out a left glove. What a save.
And to be fair to Bernd Leno, he got his angles absolutely right.
Pukki once more. Excellent.